Teneura is developing highly specific immunotherapies for autoimmune diseases that are difficult to treat. We are currently developing two platforms. One is the chimeric autoantibody receptor T-cell platform called short AA CAR platform. The other one is the chimeric T-cell engager platform called Charité. And both are highly precise, directly targeting only the pathogenic B cells that are causing the disease, and thereby providing a curative treatment for difficult to treat neurological conditions. Our journey began in 2018 at the German Center for Neurodegenerative Diseases, when driven by our clinical experience in treating patients with NMDA receptor encephalitis, which is a really severe neurological condition. We started to develop the first antigen-specific therapy for this. And we quickly realized the broader possibility of treating other autoimmune conditions that are caused by autoantibodies against a specific target. And this at the time was in an academic lab, and there were a lot of people working on this, including my co-founder Niels and our PI Harald. As our team grew, we moved this from the bench to the bedside and currently are preparing our first clinical trial. And we're now really happy to be in the clinical incubator because this provides a perfect platform for us to grow the team, both from a scientific perspective, but also the business side. Patients, typically very young and otherwise healthy, still can die from autoimmune conditions like NMDA receptor encephalitis, or oftentimes are treated for very long periods of time in the hospital, sometimes several months up to a year on the intensive care unit. So by providing a more specific treatment that reduces the side effects, we hope to deliver a clinical impact for these patients that oftentimes may return to their previous life, go back to university or go back to their job, but with a huge delay that is caused by the insufficient treatment options that we currently have. Because unlike current treatment options that typically carry the risk of long-term immunosuppression or have to be given for extended periods of times, our solution are actually one-shot treatment options or very few shots, and can provide curative treatment. That means that the disease is really targeted at the root cause, and we avoid the immunosuppression that is currently associated with many of the treatment options. The field of T-cell therapies is undergoing a dramatic shift of paradigm where we've actually seen tremendous success of CD19-directed T-cell therapies for autoimmune conditions such as systemic lupus. And this has really gained momentum in the last 1 or 2 years, when people have realized that we can use cell therapies to treat and potentially also cure other autoimmune conditions. And our solution, which actually has been developed in the last couple of years, even before these clinical successes, now really falls into that paradigm. And we've seen a lot of interest both in cell therapies, traditional cell therapies, and T-cell engager therapies, which actually harness the immune system. And I think we're now at a very exciting time where we can use these therapies to really improve the clinical outcome of these patients which are currently not treated well.